equal to is x squared. Okay, is x squared. So this is what I do. X dot to the power of x squared. X equal 2 is equal to 2, which is 6 times, okay, 0 times x2. Okay, like I said, MATLAB, you have to put the z, because this one is, you cannot do y is equal to 6, cannot. So you have to do y is equal to 6 plus 0x2. Okay, then x3 is equal to 10 minus x3. Then you plot x1, y1 with blue color. Also x2, y2, blue color, x3, y3, blue color. Then you put all on. Okay, so if I comment this, okay, if I comment this, okay, you will see that I will create a graph like this. Okay, so I will create a graph like this. I will create a graph like this. Okay, we know that, okay, we have to put here according to our question, which is, okay, x less than 2. So it will be marker, okay, with without any marker with without any field for this and this. Okay, and x is equal to 6, so which means that we have to put a marker here only at 6 colored marker, and this one 2 until 6. So here unfilled marker, this one is filled marker. Okay, so now my next coding is how to fill up the marker. Okay, so now I put box on. Then this one, x limit, okay, I minus 0.5 for x, and for the maximum x is I plus 0.5, because I don't want excess line. So then I got this. Okay, of course, here it's not complete because I don't put any arrow here. Okay, and also I didn't put any arrow here. And also title and label for x-axis and y-axis. So you do it by yourself. Okay, label x-axis, y-axis, and put the title. Do it yourself. Do you get it? Do you get it? Okay, I prepare all the coding, right? So no fuss. Okay, next question is fx1 over x. This one you can do it, right? Do I need to show you? All right. No, right? Okay, you create a value using space for x from 1 until 100. Okay, and after that, you do the reciprocal graph like this. For D, is also the same, like how we do in question in chapter 2.1. Okay, for D. Okay, it's the same. Okay, but I think I prepare for you also the coding. Okay, so this is the coding, but this one, yeah, I use the same, okay, like how we did in 2.1. So you get this, okay, but the difference is, you see the dash line, red dash line here, okay, I add this, okay, I add the dash line here. Okay, why I add the dash line here? Because I think I want to show the asymptote line. Asymptote, right? Yeah, I'm not a mathematician, so some of the mathematics term I can't remember. So yeah, I'm asymptote, right? Yeah, I want to show the asymptote line here. That's why I put the red dash here. Okay, how to put the red dash here? Okay, so here I put x2, y2. Okay, so without this, okay, let's say I don't know what is the asymptote line. So you only appear here. Okay, so you see here, I only put my x-axis location at origin, but I didn't put my y location at origin. Okay, because I don't want it to be overlap and too much layering. If I put y axis location at origin, okay, it will create here, right? Then I cannot show my asymptote line. Okay, so I know that my top line here, because this one is the reciprocal graph. I know my reciprocal graph, we have a asymptote line at y is equal to 0. So now here you see, okay, my box here shows that I only have the value from 0 to -8 and 0 to 8. So I put the asymptote line here from 0 to 9 and 0 to -9. So I use dash dash rate. Okay, then I plot it. Okay, so this one is perfect. Okay, this one is perfect. You can put text and put it here. Put text here, y is equal to 1 over x. You can put it by yourself. Okay, by using text, then you can adjust the coordinate. Okay, so here, before I start, you can also put the, that's and I think next chapter. Okay, I will show you how to put the text over here, over there. Okay. Okay, next is okay, question 1C. This is again the same question, but it is 1 over x squared. Okay, this one I use looping. And of course, we have a value that is not, we have a simple value, which is not a number. So I share with you the code. Okay, so this is the question 1C. Okay, this is question 1C. Okay, this one without the arrow, you can add it by yourself. Okay, this one without the arrow, you can add it by yourself. Do you get my code? Yeah? Yeah, right? Okay. Okay, if I do close book, I don't think we can make it, right? Okay, yeah, I do. Until final assessment will be open book. Okay, but during the last semester, we will disable all internet here. Okay, but you can bring your book or you can bring your book, but cannot like iPad, cannot. Okay, phone cannot. But you can bring your book. So you have to print out everything. I know it's not a green, it's not environmental friendly, but that's how we control. Okay. Okay. So if like you can also write if you want to save money by copying all the pages. Okay, next is question C. It is sorry, D. Also reciprocal graph. Okay, this one they don't put any domain. So I just put from 0 to 3. Okay, the domain I put is at 0 to 3. Then I run all the coding here. Okay, so this one where I got. Okay, this I have 3 reciprocal, 3 asymptote line. Okay, 3 asymptote line. Okay, so this one also I use looping. Okay, I use looping for this. Okay, to make sure that my graph looks okay. Okay, so if you look at this, okay, if you look at this, oh, this one doesn't have, oh, I didn't disable any text. Okay, so this one, question 1D. Okay, let's go for question 2. Wow. This graph looks so overwhelmed, right? Okay. Okay, zoom it. Okay. It looks so overwhelmed, right? Okay. Let's do one by one. Okay. This one is, oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Okay, look at question 2A. Okay, you see we have arrow, we have X, we have Y, we have 2 lines, blue and red. Okay, and we have a perpendicular line, we have straight, and also we have a parallel line. We have a right angle. Okay, we have a marker, We have a text here for all of the graph title. Okay, so let's do one by one here. Okay, so you look at this. Okay, the value is between -3 until 5. Okay, so I put the value. Should be okay. -3 until 2.5. Okay, so I put the value, all this, and put origin, x limit, y limit, which is okay, and box off. Okay, you look at this, there's no box as the border. Okay, hold on. Okay, so first of all, please uncomment all the above from x underscore integer until the rest. Okay, so here is actually, okay, if you look at the graph, okay, is actually is an image, is a reflection of this y is equal to 2x, and this one is y is equal to log x base 2. Actually, it's the same thing. It's a transformation graph reflection. Okay, so I put the graph, plot y, xy, and yx. Okay, plot xy and yx. Okay, then I get this graph. Okay, of course, I want to show that my my transformation has a like have a line, okay, in the middle. Okay, so I put here a line from -3 to -3. Here from 5 until -5. Black color dash dash. So I put here. Okay. Now, okay, we finish this part. Then now we want to put a marker here. It's black color circle. Okay, it's black color circle. So we do it x integer from -2 to 2. We only want to take an integer value only. Okay, -2 to 2. So here you see the increment. I didn't put the increment value. So the interval will be 1. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so y will be computed according to -2 when x is -2, when x is -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, and we know that, okay, x is for x, okay, that is, okay, wait, I do it. Yeah, I do this first. Okay, wait, hold on. So you look at this, x integer. Okay, so you see here, it's only -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, right? Okay, so now if you look at y integer, okay, so here will be 0.25, 0.5, okay, 1, 2, 4. Okay, for the second value of integer 2, we put as not a number. Okay, we put as not a number. Okay, then after that, we use hold on. Okay, we use hold on to begin with marker. Okay, so we know that we are going to put -2, -1. So you see here, -2, -1, 0, sorry, -2, -1, which is, you know that 1 is not a number, right? So there's no marker for this. There's no marker for this. 0, when x is 0, okay, when x is 1, and when x is 2. Okay, so now we put the marker as black color. KO, which means black circle for M until 1. Okay, so this one, okay, here, later. Okay, so I run it. You see that all of the all of the marker is being labeled. Okay, all of the marker is being labeled. Okay, both for X and Y, for red and green. Okay, now we have to do a perpendicular line here to connect this. This and this, this and this, this and this, this and this. Okay. Now, and we also have to put this line, the angle, the 90 degrees angle. Okay, so here, okay, this is what I do for the angle. Sorry, the perpendicular line. So x integer and x integer m. Okay, so x1, x integer 1, y integer 1. Okay, we do the black color and that. Then after that, okay, we plot it. Okay, so you see here, the perpendicular line is created from this to this, this to this, this to this, and this to this. Okay, now we want to create a 90-degree angle. So we do one by one. Okay, so here, which means that it up 0.2. Okay, so this one, x integer here, and this one, we divide by 2. Okay, we divide by 2. Okay, look at this line. Okay, and I open this. Okay, so you see here, okay, x integer and y integer divided by 2. So which means that we point to this in the middle. Okay, and this one, x integer, y integer also divided by 2. So we refer to this place. Okay, so we minus 0.1 because we, okay, let me do now, show you. Oh yeah, because I have dot here. Okay, here, sorry. Okay, here you see this, it is created here, the straight line here. Okay, the straight, okay, okay, maximize it. You see, I created here is black color here. Okay, the straight line up for 90 degrees. But now we have to create a vertical line for 90 degrees. Okay, please uncomment this and this. Okay, you will see that I have created the 90 degrees here. Okay, it's not complete yet. Okay, we have to put a text for blue line and red line. Okay, we have to put a text for blue line and red line. Okay, this one is y is equal to 2 to the power of x. This one is y is equal to 2 log x base 2. Okay, then we put a text. Okay, we put a text. Okay, so it is here. Okay, we put a text, it is here. Okay, now, okay, I want the text to be like this. Okay, I want the text to be like so. Okay, I do the alignment, which is on the right side. So it's already found. And this one without the arrow, so I just copy paste the arrow code that we did before. Yeah, finish. Okay, so of course this one is in Arial font. Okay, in my PowerPoint it is in Times New Roman. Oh no, yeah, in Times New Roman, not LaTeX. It's Times New Roman. You can specify this text in Times New Roman, Times New Roman. This one also in Times New Roman. Y level also in Times New Roman. Please copy and produce their graph exactly 100% as I want. Okay, please copy it. But let's say you didn't get it. Let's say you didn't get it. Don't never leave it empty. Just submit whatever you know. Just submit whatever you can. Okay, don't leave it empty. Like my finance assessment said, I don't know, miss. I only made the halfway. I only can do half. Just submit whatever you can. Okay, don't leave it empty. Let's say you cannot do this one. The right angle, this one. Miss, I don't know how to do it. And then just submit whatever you can. Okay? Okay. Okay, this question here, okay, it's already put the domain. Okay, and oh, so many things. You see, you have this graph, sign, okay, and also you have this graph at back, okay, and you have this line located here, and you have label for each marker. Okay, you have label for each marker. You can use text. Okay, you can use text. Okay, let's go for the coding. Okay, so this one is I do it in pi value. Okay, pi value. So you see here, it is from negative pi over 4 until pi. So negative pi over 4. Okay, so but I put extra in case for my graph to be nice. Until 2 pi, I create 1001 value. Y is equal to sine x. Okay, x2. Okay, this one is x2 here is for this one, the pink line. Okay, it's for the pink line. Okay, so it's also pi over 4 minus 0.3 and plus 0.1. So y2 is sine x2 pi over 4 and all this. Okay, so here I put here as plot. The first one is the magenta, hold on. Then I put the cyan. Cyan is this one, the blue color here. Okay, the blue color here. Then I plot it. Okay, I put the text at every marker. Then also I put the this one. I put the text every marker. So how do I know the text? Okay, I just put here like this. Okay, so let's say without the text. Okay, without the text, I don't have any. Okay, without the text, I don't have any the value. Okay, so I just know that what is the value here. Okay, so sorry, what is the value here? I just look at it. It's a negative pi over 4, 0. So I just type it here. 5 over 4, 0. Okay, so you see here, I have triangle here, right? I have triangle here on every end of the line. Here, right? So I add the triangle here. This one is the coding for the triangle. Okay, this one is the coding for the triangle. Okay, and after that, I do X location, Y location, and origin, because you see here is all the axis is at origin. Okay, and the tick, I use X ticks and X tick level. So it is from pi over from here until here. So every tick I put is as width pi over 2. Okay, so tick level pi over 2, 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. Okay, and Y tick also here, Y tick. So I put negative, sorry, 0, Z negative 1, 0, and 1. Okay, so again, I put the arrow for my x-axis and y-axis, this one. Okay, and after that, I make sure that I put this one, y is equal. So you see here, the text here, the font name here is latex. So I put here as the latex. Okay, label x and y, and it's boxed off because there's no border. Okay, then I run it, I got this. Okay, before I forgot, this one, you have to put the line here, right? Okay, so you just plot, put a new variable name. Okay, put new variable name, then plot this line. Okay, so if you feel like a bit overwhelming, do one by one. Okay, define X, define Y. Okay, do the line first, and marker. Okay, then fill up whatever necessary that the graph wants. Okay, this is the image. So you see, there's a lot of things going on here. Okay, so here my x will be negative 3 until 6. Okay, my graph here is negative 3 until 6. Okay, and I have few different y. So you see here, there's no arrow. So just follow it, no arrow, but that's label. Okay, y here, square root 2x plus 6. So just follow all this to get our value of y. Okay, so this is incomplete. You have to do, yeah, sorry. Question 5, sorry. Oh, okay, so this is, sorry, question 3. Okay, this is a circle. We have done circle before. Okay, then we have to use the fill in this, and this, and we have tags here. Okay, so this is a bit challenging. Okay, graph like this will be not asked for your quiz, of course, but for your minor, maybe yes. Okay, so, okay, this is incomplete. Okay, you can study by your own. Then you put all the necessary, this line, this text, arrow, X label, and Y label. Okay, this one will not be asked during your quiz. Okay, but minor maybe. Okay, so here you just add the X, Y label, and all the text here. Okay, the rest is I have prepared for you the coding. You can do it, right? To add text only, right? You can do it, right? Add only here. This one, what is it? TTBX. So this one, X label, Y label. Okay, then just label it according to the picture. Okay. Next question is this. Okay, this one also not be asking for your quiz one. I know it's one is difficult, right? Okay, maybe for your minor, yes. Okay, so this is the, you can explore around. Okay, you can explore around. This is still. Okay, so this is question 4, how your graph looks like. Okay, so why is it like it's open full screen automatically? Because I set it, okay, I set it here is to be full screen. Yeah, here, screen size, get 0 screen size. So that's why it's open straight away. Okay, so this one also I specify my space color. Okay, you can, this one for your knowledge. Okay, for your knowledge, we are going to to learn more in chapter 4 and so on. Chapter 3 and chapter 4. Okay, so this. Okay, and the important is this one. Okay, question 5. Okay, question 5, question 6, and question 7. Okay. So this one is question 5. I use looping. Okay, I use looping because my x is between -3 until 6. Okay, so x is -3 until 6. Okay, so y1 is square root 2 times x plus 6 and square root 2 times x plus 6 and y3 is x minus 1. Okay, negative square root, sorry. Okay, so here again, we put it as screen size because I want to make it full screen. I use 4 on. Okay, this one you can also create independent variable or use looping like this because we have 3 equation and we have 3 condition. So I put here as m and n. Okay, so if you notice this, okay, if you notice this, to color the graph, okay, to color the graph here, I will color this side and also this side. So which means that I have to use the flip. Okay, I have to use the flip function. Okay, then let's see. Okay, x is equal mean I didn't put my limit, but I put it as, yeah, this one equal -4, 4, and this one also 4. It's same x and y. Okay, so this one, okay, is for the all this. Okay, so I put x2, y2, yz because this, from this to this, okay, I define another variable so that it's easy for me to use different color. Okay, it's easy for me to use different color. Okay, now we have to color, to shade, to color this one. Okay, so I use fill export, flip export. y4 flip x4, then okay, then here. Okay, I get this. I flip this and this. Okay, next part, I want to color this part with yellow. Okay, also again, I flip y x6 and x6, then y6 to y7. Okay, why y6 to y7? Because here you see it's not very uneven, right? So only y6 until y7. I got this. Okay, the line appeared automatically. Okay, the line appeared automatically when you plot it. Okay, now it's not enough yet. What else? Okay, so here plot 1, -1, then okay, for this 1, -1 here. Okay, then I put the color because this one is by default the MATLAB put this red color, black color. I want it in gray. So 0.9, 0.9, 0.9 is gray color. Okay, so you see here it is in gray color. Okay, plot 1, -1. So 1, -1 is here. Okay, then followed by this. Because it is in when x is equal to -1. So this is the y value. So -1, y is here. -1, y is here. Okay. Then last one, I put the text for the curve. So here, 2x, square root 2x plus 6. Okay, it's incomplete. Please do, okay, adjust it a bit to up. Okay, to a bit up. Maybe you can put here as 1, I think. Okay, 1. Okay, a bit up. Okay, then you know that you have this and this, right? Add text here and also add text here. Can you do it for me? Can you do it for me? Just add text. Okay, the rest is ready. Okay, for question 6 and 7, it's a bit advanced. Okay, I will discuss in next class. Okay, which actually this is related to other chapter. Okay, chapter 4, remember. Okay, but no worries, your question, quiz 1 only asks until here, question 5. Okay, don't worry, quiz 1 only asks you until question 5. Multiple choice question, all theory, like big, like theory, like that only. Okay, but for your plotting in graph, yes, what you learn until 2.3 question 5. Can you do it? Yeah, can you do it? Don't worry, all of the equations are available. So I think if you don't have strong background of mathematics, also you can do coding. Any question? Any question? Okay, so open your Power Apps. Okay, whole of the day. Okay, after you, I know it's only 43 students only today, 43 or 44. Okay, don't scan it for your friend in case you bring your friend's phone. I don't think I will not allow anyone to touch my phone, but in case. Okay, see you on Friday morning. Take care, good luck, and all the best for your quiz 1.